Right, doing the toe in, toe out to Honda Civic 8th Gen 2010 model. These towing in brackets, you can't get it accurate just by itself. You've got to put a parallel line from the end of the wheel to the front. Here, the back side of the wheel to the front, the measurement should be equal. Let's say 20 mil on each side to the back and the front. That gives you a parallel line to the front. Make sure your steering wheel is locked with the seat belt and it's centered to the console. Now, if you come and look, the difference, this is towing in to the front, as you can see here. So it needs to be towed out. Take the measurement from the string to the edge of this tow bar, front and back, and then do an equal, and then move the front 1/16 inwards in tow. Do that on both sides and your tracking will be spot on. You've got to do it in this way, otherwise your towing is always out and you'll save a lot of money. Just use blocks, a string, a measuring tape, and if you use these tow brackets, it's an advantage. You could do it. It's on axle jacks as well for safety. Do each wheel and then 1/16 toe in on both sides and it'd be spot on. Thanks.